This is not a cafe. This is a massive milkshake factory where thousands are made every hour. Ever wondered how chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry milkshakes are made on an industrial scale?
The process starts with fresh milk arriving at the milkshake factory.
Every drop of milk is tested before milkshake production begins.
Milk is gently heated to prepare the perfect milkshake base. Measured sugar is added for consistent milkshake sweetness.
Rich chocolate flavor is injected into the milkshake mix.
Fresh strawberry flavor gives the milkshake its bright color.
Pure vanilla essence enhances the milkshake aroma.
Powerful mixers blend everything into a smooth milkshake.
The thickness of each milkshake is carefully controlled.
Milkshakes are cooled to lock in freshness.
Empty cups are positioned automatically for filling.
Milkshakes are poured with perfect accuracy.
Delicious toppings complete the milkshake look. Each milkshake cup is tightly sealed.
Every milkshake is visually inspected.
Labels are added with flavor details.
Milkshakes are packed for distribution. Packed milkshakes are stored in cold rooms.
Milkshakes are shipped to stores worldwide. This is how large-scale milkshake production works.
Perfect texture makes every milkshake irresistible.
That's how thousands of milkshakes are made every day.